We're constantly moving to fight this pandemic outbreak crisis. We've arranged a stay-at-home festival headlined by Fred Durst of Limp Bizkit and Ace of Base. We're working with some of the world's leading celebrities to pass vital messages on to the public across the world. Nicki Minaj, Bill Cosby, Demi Lovato, Keisha, Adam Levine. In the past 48 hours, we have held video conferences to crowdsource ideas from the world's leading bankers, hedge fund managers, oil tycoons, and leading members of the Illuminati. We're working hard on the front line, but we know it's not enough. Here's the current status. You can see it's not enough.
We'll now have some questions from the world's press here in Geneva.
Mr. Dillinger, hello. This is Carla Bernstein from the Washington Post. My question for you is, how much blood cumulatively do you believe